how to program a LiftMaster Chamberlain Universal remote clicker. On this style, first thing you're gonna do is you have the two buttons on the top, left and right. You're going to pull down on here on the bottom, opens up. There's a little button here on the left. You see it? Right in there. Don't press nothing on your motor. This is the first step that you have to do before you do any programming. You have to hold this button down until you get a blue light at the top, let go. Now that you have the blue light, you simply go to your learn button on the motor and press it one time. On your remote, you're gonna hold this button on the left, the button that you wanna program. Let go. Let go. There it is. Press the right button here once you're done. Test it out.
That is awesome!